Yet another video from the Smoky Mountain Truck Fest. Another international harvester sitting on the ground because they use the air shocks to lift to bring them up. So it's like sits on the ground. This thing has a huge Cummins diesel engine. Check this out. This is so cool. And then right next to it is another little cool truck. Another kind of doom. Another cool car. And now, okay, we never did look at the engine. Let's look at the engine over here. Turbocharger, international harvester. That Rat Pack looking car thingy there. That is really cool. That is so like the Munsters there, you know. Folks, don't forget to like the video, like and subscribe. Smoky trails, because this place is smoking.